Hi guys, welcome to CRXCONEC Academy. In today's lesson, we will talk about patch cord. So let's get started. With the continuous expansion of the data communication industry, the demand for wires and cables are growing continuously. It is becoming more and more important for people in related industry to fully understand the fire retardant standard and grades of the wire and cables. In today's lesson, we will talk about the cable structure, cable fire rating, IEC and UL standard, and in the end, we will talk about the comparison of the CM, CMR, and CMP. So we're here to talk about the classification about cable fire rating and when to use them. In the previous section, we've introduced the structure of the Ethernet cable and also briefly mentioned the outer sheath, which we also call it jacket. It is to provide a physical protection for the cable. According to the deployment, there are different materials used in the jacket. Take PE material as an example. It's widely used in the outdoor application for sunlight resistant and waterproof. Today, we'll mainly focus on the PVC and LSZH jacket that is mostly used in the cabling industry and their fire ratings. So the PVC, it is a cheap and easy to manufacture material. It is widely used in the electrical insulation, films, and pipe. PVC cable will emit toxic film when it is burned. LSZH, which we also name it low smoke zero halogen. This cable jacket and insulation is made with materials that produce low smoke and non-toxic gas in the fire. Due to these benefits, LSZH cable are often used in public area or poorly ventilated area. So how to determine the fire rating? We have three key elements: the flame retardancy, smoke density, and the toxic gas. So for the flame retardancy, it is referred to the delay of flame spread along the cable so that the fire does not expand. The smoke density means the smoke density generated by the burning of the cable. The smoke not only make people couldn't see the escape route clearly, but also cause people to suffocate in fire. And the gas toxicity, it is to measure the toxicity of the combustion gases in fire and potential hazard. So what's the standard for the fire resistant cables? There will be two mainly standards of the fire rating, the IEC and UL. The IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission, responsible for international standardization in electrical and electronic engineering. The UL is a global safety certification company found in USA and engaged in flammability tests and safety tests in networking application. So the European and American fire protection standards are different. In the European, the amount of halogen, acid, and gas toxicity are considered to be the main factors that determine whether people can leave the fire scene safely or not. In American, the gas toxicity and the heat release from the fire is the root cause of the fire. Therefore, controlling the amount of heat release can reduce fire hazard. So in the IEC, we have got 60332-1 and -2 for the single wire testing, and the -3 for the bundle cables testing. For the UL, we have got CM, CMR riser, and CMP plenum. The CM cable is equivalent to the CM general purpose. For commercial applications, CM level cables are suitable for connections from workstation to the wall outlet, mostly used in the home, office, or a single-story building, and this cable will emit toxic fumes when it is burned. And CMR riser cable are suitable for use in walls and are laid vertically between floors. The riser cable limited the ability of the cable to carry flames. But if the cable really burns, the smoke and fumes produced are toxic. And the CMP plenum cables installed in the plenum area above drop ceiling or below a riser floor. It is the best fire-rated cable and slower to burn and produce less smoke and fumes. It is hardly emit smoke and has low toxicity. So in this chart, we'll summarize the main features of CM, CMR, and CMP. The chart is the comparison of 3 different fire-rated cable, and the CMP-rated cable provides more safer environment in cabling system. As in the chart, you can see the application for CM we usually use on patch cord and horizontal deploy. CMR we use inside wall and vertical cable shaft. CMP we use cabling used inside walls, ceilings, and air plenums. For the flammability, CMR and CMP get the better performance than CM. And for the toxicity, CMP got the best performance. According to the local fire regulations, insurance requirements and even customer requirements will be the visual factors to determine which kind of rated cable must be used. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for joining us today. If you like our video, please give us a like and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have further questions, you can leave a message below or you can contact us from our website. Thank you.